Hey guys, it's Vonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and today we're taking you on a little bit of a special day in the life. We've already done school. We've done history. We're learning about medieval times with the magic tree house and the good and the beautiful history combined. I'll have to make a separate video with that. I'm out of breath because I just ran up and down the stairs. Sorry, it's a little bright. We are also gonna do a little bit of nature study and maybe write some haikus at the beach, because we were studying haikus for poetry tea time yesterday, and then Friday's supposed to be our nature study day. So I'm gonna go ahead into my nature books and see what I can bring. I don't know if I have any nature study books for the beach, but my little one's also learning about habitats. Let's see. We have the tidal zone here, on the sand. See, yep, we definitely could use this. Drawing pads. Just have to see whose is whose. This is Arlen's nature study book. I already have snacks packed, water, and a blanket and a frisbee, sand toys actually, that I put in the car 2 days ago, or maybe yesterday, one of those days. Are you ready? We're going to the beach because Arlen really wanted to go to the beach because we've been studying habitats, and she...
You know why I really want to go to the beach?
Why?
Because those ices.
But they're not going to have ices there, sweetheart. I thought it was for educational purposes. Apparently Kona Ice goes there sometimes. But we've been studying. So we made it to the beach, and this beach is a little crowded. You get a lot of older people that come here and just hang out during the day while the kids are in school. So the kids are gonna play for a little while, and then we'll see what we can do with the books. What are you guys doing?
Bearing our toys.
Which body of water do you think is behind us from this picture? Do you think it's an ocean, a sound, a sea, a bay, a cove, or a tidal pond?
Ocean.
You think it's the ocean? Yeah? Which ocean do you think it is? Think about where we are in the United States.
Bay.
You think it's a bay? Which bay?
Tampa.
Tampa Bay. That's a good guess. You know actually what it is. So there's more here. Look, a marsh, a lake, a pond, a river, a stream, a brook. It's not any of those.
Remember
It's actually not even here. It is like a bay. It's a gulf. It's a gulf. It's the Gulf of Mexico. So,
Mexico?
yeah. So look here. Come over here.
On the Gulf.
How about water birds? Do you guys see any birds? Look, these are the different kinds of water birds. We definitely know there's seagulls. Didn't we see a pelican on the way here?
Yeah.
We sure did. So Aaron, when we were talking about haikus, do you remember the pattern of syllables, the numbers?
Yeah, 5, 7, 5.
5, 7, 5. So what topic do you want to choose? Sand? You do sand, I'll do palm tree.
Mom, where?
Okay, Aaron. Give me a sentence about the sand. You can think about what it feels like, what it looks like, how you like to play with it. Anything. What do you want to do? Could you tell me what you're doing in the sand? Are you burying toys in the sand?
Yeah.
How many syllables does that have? That could be our second line. Okay? So write it down. Read it to me.
I am at the beach, burying toys in the sand, and it feels like salt.
Perfect. Nice haiku. I've made mine, Aaron. Want to hear it?
Yeah.
Palm trees stretching to the clouds, watching us from high above, showing off their beauty.
Showing off their what?
Beauty. Like it?
Yeah.
All of your toys?
Yeah. I'm sure right there. Little carrots and sand.
Life is a wonder.
Okay, so that was a short trip to the beach, but it was a nice little break.
I want
We did a little bit of nature study. My hair is all over the place from the wind. We did a little bit of nature study and kind of geography, and we did a little haiku. We enjoyed the beauty of the trees and everything, and the sounds of all the nature stuff. And we even collected some rocks to test, since for science we're studying rocks. Aaron is studying rocks for science. Okay, so we're headed home now. I'm gonna end this here. Stay tuned for a lot of more day in the lives, some with just my preschooler and some with both of my babies. So guys, have a great day.